Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so exercise 4C, question 9 is here. The surface area of each of the each face of a cube is x square plus 4x plus 4 centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter cube, as you can see, centimeter cube, the cube represents that the two sides are multiplied together. Okay, so to discuss area of a cube, let's discuss this diagram here. Okay, I've drawn the surface area of a cube, and we can find the area of this cube. How? I can take side AB and and AC. If I multiply these two sides together, I can find the surface area of this cube. But why only these two sides? Because side AB and side AC are adjacent to each other. Adjacent means that the two sides which I am taking, they should have a common point here. See, you can see side AB and side AC have common point A here. So I can multiply these two sides and I can get the surface area of this square here. Okay. Also, side AB and side AD, side BD can be taken to find the area. As you can see, side AB and side BD have a common point, point B here. So I can easily multiply side AB and BD. Also, side BD is adjacent to side CD. So I can multiply these two sides as well. So I've written here all the possible combinations. AB and AC are multiplied together. AB and AC. If I multiply these two sides, I can get the surface area of this square. Also, side AB and BD, AB and BD, because they have side point B common. Also, side BD and CD here. BD, CD, they are the common point, point D here. So I can take all these sides and multiply them, so I can get the area. And whenever we're talking about area, we take two sides always. Okay, so the formula of area here is when we multiply the two sides. So for area of cube, I have I'm naming these two sides lengths, because these two are lengths given in length, because centimeter square is given. So I am simply writing length with a small l multiplied by the second length, because in a square, as we all know, all four sides are equal. So I can take any two and name them equally, because the both sides are equal. So area is given to me. As you can see, the surface area of the each face of a cube is x square. So I'm replacing area with the given condition to me. Okay, the given value of surface area, x square plus 4x plus 4. This is my area, so I've replaced area with this, equals to L into L is simply L square. What I have to find is I have to find length in the first part. Okay, in the first part I have to find the length. So let's find the length here. L square equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 here. Okay, so as you can see, 4x x square plus 4x plus 4, this is a long value and this cannot be the length. So I have to reduce it. I have to make it a little smaller and a little simpler, so I can solve it. So if you recall to the early questions of this exercise 4C, question 1 and question 2, what we used to do is we used to simplify the question by finding out our A and B, and then apply that formula in this value, so I can identify my A and B, and then I will close them in the formula. Let's see how. The first value will give me the A and the last value will give me the B. So my A would be, I'm writing here, let's write here. Okay, my A will be x square, which value will give me which value, if I take the square of it, will give me x square, simply x. And for B, it's 4 is written here, so I will take which number will give me this square equals to 4. It's very easy, the 2. So A is x and B is 2, so I can easily apply the formula here. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it was easy. A square, x is a square plus 2 of the formula, a again x, 2ab, b is 2, plus b square means 2 square equals to L square. Then x square, as you can see, I've expanded the formula, so I can close this value in the formula of a plus b whole square. Plus b, why? Because we have the plus sign here. Okay, be careful with this sign. If this the plus sign here, if there was minus, I will apply the minus a minus b whole square, but here the plus sign is here, so I will apply the a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so a x is my x is my a and 2 is my b, so I will close this in the formula. Okay, a plus b whole square equals to L square. Okay, I've closed them in the formula. Now L square equals to, now you can see it is pretty simplified, but I don't want the answer of L square, I want the answer of only L. So whenever there is a square, how can we remove the square? It's very easy, we have done this previously. Take the square root on both sides. Okay, L square, and this whole value will also be under square. Square is cancelled by root, square is cancelled by root here. So simple length equals to x plus 2. This is our answer of part 1. Okay, so in this second part I have to find the volume of the cube. So when we talk about volume, there are always 3 sides. Okay, 3 sides are included. So in the previous question, as we needed only 2 sides, so we considered this diagram which had only 2 sides, the 2-dimensional diagram here. Now as we are facing as we are solving for volume, now I have to look at the diagram which has all the 3 sides. As you can see, all 3 sides are here. Okay, so to solve the volume, let's write the formula for volume. The volume of cube, the volume equals to length into length into length. 3 sides are multiplied together, length, length and length. Okay, so as you can see, the first 2 lengths, this here, the surface area, as you can see here, in these two are similar. If you consider only this face and this front face of the cube, this was given to me. As you can see, the 2 sides are multiplying, so I can take these 2 sides as my area of the cube, and area was given to me in the question, area. And so the first 2 multiplication of the sides, this would be my area, and the side which is left at the end, the one length, I know that each side, as you can see, the each side here is left here. I found the 2 sides which was equal to the area. Now I have to find how long is this one side. So I found this in the previous part. X plus 2 is my one length of the volume. So now I have all the 3 sides. This was given in the first part, so I can just simply put all the values here. Let's see, volume equals to, I have to find the area, length into length is area is given to me, x square plus 4x plus 4, x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, and then this one L side is left, so I will take the one L side which I found in the first part, x plus 2, and these all are multiplying, so these 2 brackets are multiplying. So in order to find the volume here, we have to multiply these 2 brackets here. Okay, so it's very easy. We have done this extensively in extra classes and while solving D1 questions, so it's very easy. The first value will be multiplied, x square will multiply with x here, x square into x will be, the coefficients are same, the power will add, x square, the power of this x is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, so it will be x cube. Okay, now plus x square and 2, x square into 2 is simply 2x square. These 2 are done. Now 4x with x and then 4x with 2. 4x with x is this plus sign, 4x into x is 4x square, then 4x with 2, 4 times 2 is 8, and then x plus 4 times x is 4x, then plus 4 times 2 is again 8. Now let's simplify the values which are same in power. So let's find them out, x square values, simple values, and the highest value x cube which is alone. Okay, so x cube plus 2x square plus 4x square, I'm adding them, so only the coefficients will add. 4 plus 2 is 6x square. then 8 plus 4 is 12 simple x, okay, and then plus 8. This is the most simplified form. This is my volume and this is my answer. Okay, so question 9 is done. Exercise 4C, sorry, is done now. If you have any confusion, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. So jazakallah.